welcome to Travel Tune. Welcome to another journey. Welcome to another episode of Beauty of Bengal. So, without further ado, chalo, let's go.
A fresh start in the freshness of the foothills of Himalayas.
Good morning, everyone. So, we start our journey. Can't get better with the tea estate view of Gopaldhara and a nice morning tea to start with. So, let's enjoy the tea. Meanwhile, you enjoy the aerial shots. We are in Shimana, one of the many marketplaces that you have in the Darjeeling hills. It's a nice small countryside on the hills. A great place, great view of the Kanchenjunga. So enjoy the view.
The queen of hills, people, culture, food, and the majestic views. Dopamine for our soul.
We are here at the Japanese pagoda, one of the 12 shrines across the world in Darjeeling. Here we are. So a nice view of the Kanchenjunga and the beautiful white shrine. It depicts the journey of Siddhartha to Buddha and many other inscriptions into the wall. So take a look at the shots. Kasia Loop, a Gorkha War memorial, famous for its mesmerizing views of Kanchenjunga.
Heritage whistles of steam rumbling through the heart of Darjeeling. A year ends for the other to begin. May the rising sun be the beacon of hope, solidarity, kindfulness. Wish you a happy new year.
If you like the episode, please share and subscribe to the channel. And do not forget to share your feedback in the comment section.